What's going on, world? It's Ace Twin. So look, check this out. Today, I got 6 strategies for you to help you rebuild your confidence from scratch. Let's dive into it. Number 1, win your mornings with a healthy routine. Get off social media. God damn, man. Get off social media, man. It's killing you. It's killing your progress. It's killing your energy. I guarantee you the first thing y'all do when you roll over in the morning time, you grab the phone, you get right on social media. Scrolling. Just scrolling 30, 40 minutes. You got to kill that bad habit, because what you're doing is you're looking at everybody's lifestyle. And what you're doing, you're comparing your life to theirs. That's damn sure going to drain your confidence. That's going to kill your confidence, because you're looking at somebody that got a goddamn Maserati or Benz, you know what I'm saying, Ferrari, and you realize you ain't got that. So now what you're doing is you're getting depressed, not even knowing it, but social media is draining your energy at that time. That's the first step. Get off social media and find a healthy morning routine. But before I give y'all my morning routine, I'm gonna give you some options. You can work out, you know what I'm saying, get up, read a book, talk to God. That should have been first. It should have been first. But talk to God, write in your journal. Find a healthy routine that you're doing every single morning so it becomes second nature. So for example, my morning routine, first thing I do when I get up in the morning time, this is the first thing I do. Go to the bathroom, pray. Meditate for a minute, go right to the gym. This is early in the morning time. Like I say, 5:30 a.m., 6 a.m., between those times. And I stay in the gym for about like an hour. That's an every morning routine. It don't stop. That shit gonna happen every single morning. It gots to happen. Number 2, you gotta cut off toxic habits or people. You know what I'm saying? You're doing some things right now that's very toxic. You got some bad habits. It's actually killing your confidence. You know what I'm saying? The people that you're hanging around right now is killing your confidence, because these motherfuckers ain't got no vision. I know it. You know it. I don't even know you yet. But I guarantee you, the people you hang around with, they ain't got no damn vision. They don't ever talk about what they're going to do in the next 3 or 4 years. They're not thinking about that. So that's one of the problems, you know what I'm saying? That's the second problem. You're hanging around people that has a small mind mentality. So as you hang around these people, it's no growth in them. So it's not going to be no growth in you. Being around these people is killing your confidence, killing your drive, your determination, you know what I'm saying? It's killing your motivation. It's killing everything. So you got to get away from toxic people and toxic habits. And you may have to be by yourself for a minute. You may have to goddamn get by yourself for a minute, you know what I'm saying? And just find yourself and just spend time with you and rebuild. Number 3, do not use substance. I repeat, do not use substance to build your confidence. Don't do that. Because now you're going to have to depend on this shit. Every time it's time for you to take a risk, it's time for you to expand, or it's time for you to just, jump out there and do it. You got to have liquor. You got to pop pills. You got to goddamn smoke. You got to do all this stuff to build your confidence. Do the work and build your confidence brick by brick. But no. See, y'all motherfuckers want to go take something real quick to build your confidence. Now you done got hooked. Every time for you to do something, make a move, or do something like elevate your life, you got to take something. Now you're an addict. You don't want to live your life like that, because you got to depend on that 24/7 now. Prime example. Most men have to drink liquor to approach a woman. Just for example. You gotta drink goddamn half a bottle of tequila, goddamn 4 shots of Hennessy to go approach a woman. This shit is crazy. These motherfuckers crazy. Ain't no way. Just do the work and build your confidence brick by brick. So you don't even have to get involved with that. You know what I'm saying? If you do it, you do it because you just want to do it. You don't need it. You're just doing it because, you just want to do it. It's a difference between doing it because you want to do it and needing it. You know what I'm saying? When you need it, shit, that's a bad situation to be in, boy. You don't want to be in that situation. Real talk. So yeah, don't take substance. Do this shit organic, natural, brick by brick. Number 4, stack your wins. Sometimes we got to remind ourselves, what we have accomplished in the past to remember who we are. We do. Because sometimes we get off track, we get off course and we forget who we are. We forget that we are powerful. We forget that we are able to accomplish anything. So this is what I want you to do. Get a notebook, and I want you to write down all the things that you have accomplished that you considered that was a challenge to you. And I want you to write all of them down. And I want you to just read all of them so you can reinstate that, you are capable of building your confidence back. Like I said, write down all the accomplishments that you have overcame in the past. And this is going to help you get your mind back where it need to be. Number 5, you got to tap into yourself and find your vision. You know what I'm saying? You got to find your vision. You got to set a plan, and you got to revisit that vision and that plan every single day and stay on course with it. Stay on track with it. Visit that plan. It could be, I don't know what your plans is. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what your vision is, but whatever your vision is, you need to write it down. And I want you to revisit every day. Every single day, revisit that vision and that plan and work towards it. And last but not least, number 6, work on improving different areas in your life. It can be your finances, you know what I'm saying? It can be self-discipline. It can be you improving your health. But you got to work on different departments in your life. And when you're doing this and you start seeing yourself level up, that help you build confidence within yourself, because you're seeing yourself like, damn, I'm really executing in life, in these areas in my life. But when you don't do nothing, you damn right your confidence is going to be low. It's going to be very low because you ain't trying to do nothing to better yourself. Like, for example, right now, I'm in an area of my life where I'm increasing my income yearly, monthly. You got to work on these areas in your life, man, so you can really, start seeing yourself blossom. Because you don't want to be one of them people that never did nothing for real in your life. You know what I'm saying? You never tried to level up. You just worked and had a normal, average life. You got to take some risks, man. You got to take goddamn risks. That's why you over here, right? That's what we do. We build confidence and we take life-changing risks. That's what it's about. Anything you're doing in life, I don't give a damn what it is. It's going to be one of the two, if not both, every single time. You're going to have to have confidence to do it, or it's going to be a risk. One of those two is going to be in the equation. Either you're going to have some confidence to do it, or you're going to take a risk. And to be honest with you, they both go together. You got to have confidence to take the risk. But with that being said, take a risk, man. Get at it. That was 6 strategies to help you rebuild confidence from scratch. Like, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all next episode. Stay with it.